Hi everyone, I'm Fred at Gestisoft. Welcome to this video on how to share views in Dynamics 365. It's gonna be quite silly. There is two types of views. There is the personal views that you can see with the small icon there, and there is the system views. Today's video is gonna be about how to share personal views in Dynamics 365, and we'll do also a new videos on how to share and give access to system views later on. So within your views there is an option called manage and share views. It's quite clear, so let's click on that. You'll be able to find the different views, and then you select the three dots and select share. I'll find my friend Christian there. Then I select either my team or the person I want to share the view with. The permission here on the right is not the permission on the information within the CRM, it's the permission on the view itself. So I want to give the permission to read the view, so to be able to see it and access it within the CRM. I can give them the option to modify my view. I don't want that. Most users tend to modify your view and then you'll need to create it again. If they want to modify them, what I do encourage them is to do a save as and create their own view later on. And the second option, what I can do is to click share the view, so they are able to share it as well to other people within the team. So normally that's the top two permission I will share within a personal view. This way Christian will be able to access my view and he'll be able to share it to any other colleague. But if, as an example, Christian is gonna manage the view and you want them really to give the ability to delete it as well, you'll be able to give that option as well. But normally it's really 99% of the time it's read and share what you want to do. I'll share it like that, so Christian's gonna have access to that view. Again, within the manage and share view, normally there's a lot of views coming from the system by default that we don't really use, and also some view systems that are maybe outdated. And if you don't have access to the system backend, you've got the possibility to easily hide the view that you don't really like or you don't want to have in your CRM. And this way, as an example, if I really don't like all my AMP views and they are not relevant for me, I'm able to hide everything except the default one. And this way, when I do open my CRM, I just got my personal view and I've got that default views that I want to see with my open opportunities. And as an example, I want to make sure that my personal view is the default one I can select as well, set as default. So that's everything for the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.